All right, guys, I'm going to show you another one of my favorite underutilized features inside of SOLIDWORKS today, and it's sort of inside of SOLIDWORKS. So um, essentially what you do is you go up File, and we do a Publish to eDrawings, right? And what that's going to do is give us our eDrawings file here that we could take a look at. But I'm not going to go through the normal process of saving out an eDrawings document or something else. What I'm going to do is take advantage of a newer file format, and unfortunately, there's not an API that allows us to export this directly currently, but hopefully we'll get one of those eventually. We've always been able to export an HTML file, but it's always been this ActiveX HTML. Just only in the last couple of years have we been able to export this new web HTML document. And let's go ahead and throw this in my downloads here so we can see it. And this is one of my favorites because you can literally open this on any device, right? If you had a tablet, really like just about anything you could open this on. Let's get our Explorer open here. Let's get that document open. It's opening up on my other screen here, but you can literally open this on any device, tablet, your phone. It's all completely embedded. Like it's one file, one HTML document. You can come in, you can do, use the measure tool if you wanted to, move stuff. There we go. You can do explosions, right? If there is an exploded config or something like that you wanted to do, you could look at that. You can look at the assembly tree, see which item that is. There's a lot of awesome stuff you can do in here, and it's just so portable that that's awesome. If you guys aren't using the web HTML file, highly recommend it. So, all right, guys, hopefully this helps. Have a great day.